Hello, myself Shrikar Tare. So today's topic will be compilers, interpreters, and JIT. That is just-in-time compilation. Just-in-time compilation. Now, computers, when we write programming languages, when we write programs, so someone needs to execute it. So computers cannot read high-level languages in C, Java, or JavaScript. They can only understand zeros and ones. So we need to convert this high level language into machine readable format. So it can be 10 or it can be some specific encodings. So there are two ways of doing this. There are tools available which can do this task. We can use compilers or we can use interpreters. Both perform the same function or same task, but the way of doing is different. So compilers, what do they do is like they convert the entire source code to machine readable language and then executes the same. So it converts the code ahead of time before the program runs. So the first step is like the compiler will translate the code to machine readable language, and second step will be like it will run the code. So when we go to interpreters they directly execute the code, and while during execution only they translate the code to machine language line by line. So typically in JavaScript, if you execute a JavaScript file in browser, it is directly executed at runtime. So we can say like the interpreter in JavaScript interpreter, it encounters first line, then it translates it, then executes it, and again encounters second line, then translates it and then executes it. So this is the way interpreter works. But let's say like if we have a loop where it is iterating 1000 times, 100 times, so in this case what will happen in interpreter, it will execute the loop 1000 times and it will do the same translation 1000 times. So this is not very efficient. So to optimize this, we have just-in-time compilation, just-in-time compiler. So it will only translate the most used parts of your program. Let's say it recognizes a for block which is executing multiple times. So it will translate it only once.